You gotta call your, when you go to the hospital, I want you to call your mother. I want you to call your mother and pray. I need prayer right now. I need prayer right now. I need to call your mother, okay?
All these are put me in some sticky situation. The only day I get we have to run up and down. Because you eat strawberry for beef, you're allergic to it. Why? Strawberry.
I didn't know I was allergic to it. Oh, it's so sore. Oh, it's so sore. It's so swollen and sore. Oh.
Only you, man. Only you always let them something, man.
It's so big. It's so long. I won't go in my mouth.
Well, look on it, B. And you want, look how it look. You can't put it in your mouth.
It's swollen. It's swollen. You see it's swollen?
So I see I go walk up and down. I see I go walk up and down with it out of your mouth like that. You have to get there. Always some trouble, always a find you. Why you can't stay out of problem and trouble, baby?
Look.
You can't stay out of problem and trouble. Jesus. So how it a swivel, so? Ma. Mommy?
Yeah?
Why I don't know, you know, my wife there right or something, I don't know what I'm to her tongue, you know, I don't know really walk one.